Hello guys, I'm BILAL Ansari and today we're gonna learn how to do a kick up. When I was a kid, I used to wonder how Shawn Michaels did the crazy moves while lying on his back and throwing his feet all above the ground, making the rainbow, and standing on his feet in less than a second. Kick up is one of the most universal moves that you will see in gymnastics, martial arts, and can definitely be a cool move in a dance routine. But did you know it also saves you in your accidental awkward activities like slips, trips, fall, and also if you're being pushed by a bullet. Instead of crying on the ground, make a terrific move. Alright, so let's get started. Before practicing kick up, do some exercises for spinal flexibility. I would recommend you to first practice on mattress or a bed to avoid injuries. You must generate a lot of force to achieve a kick up. Let's see how you can generate a lot of force. Sit or stand, place your hands close to your ears like this and roll on your back. Place your palms on the ground and roll your hips quickly. Your knees will be just inches from your forehead. Make sure you lift your lower back too. This gives you room to be able to accelerate the explosive motion. Now once you get used to the motion, go for the next step. With the help of generated force, kick your legs upward with explosive power. Quickly push the ground from your hands till your body stretches. You literally have to make an arch, like a rainbow. With the help of the force you generated, try to lift your core and your upper body. There should be a straight line from your knees to your chest. Spread your feet wide when you land. As you are improvising, you can get your feet back to normal. And some of you might have problem in ending up the kick up. You might end up a little bit low, but as you practice, you will get it better. So guys, cling to the technique and practice it every day. For some it might take time, whereas most of the people can do it within a week or even a day. It based on your fitness and how good you put the technique. So guys, if you have taken anything from this video, even a percent, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And check out my other videos too, a lot more videos to come. So guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below, and till then keep smiling and I'll see you in my next video.